What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Learn Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about smooth love potion. Guys, the second time we're talking about this coin on this channel. The first time I brought you this coin, guys, the coin was trading for less than a cent. I brought you this coin on the 31st of January 2021. The coin had a market cap of $35 million. You could see right here it was trading for less than a cent. It had a 24-hour volume of just $50 million, and right now at the point of recording of this video, it has a trading volume in the last 24 hours of over $3.6 billion. It has a market cap of over $134 million. The coin is already up over 200% from our entry point. If you bought the coin the day I released that video, guess what, guys? You are in profit. You can currently see right now the coin is trading for over 3 cents. From below a cent when I brought you the video, it's trading for over 3 cents right now. And guys, we're talking about SLP, what I'm expecting for it in the short term. We'll also be looking at the dollar price chart of SLP, the Bitcoin price chart of SLP, and the Ethereum price chart of SLP. And I'll also be showing you something I saw in the market cap. We're talking about that and more in this video. But before we go on, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this, and turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop these videos. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Guys, you can see right here, SLP is currently trading for over 3 cents, and now it has a market cap of over $100 million. We'll be looking at the chart. I'll be telling you my price point. And guys, for looking at the chart right now, you can see that from our entry point, this blue line that I drew right here was when I brought you SLP. It actually dipped a little below that 1 cent, but from where I brought you the video, that's on the 31st of January 2022. Right now, we're already up over 229%. So your $1,000, if you had put in $1,000 when I brought you these videos, guys, guess what? You would have had over $3,000 right now with over $2,200 profit. I bring you all these videos, guys, because I really want you to make money. I want you to exit this market on top. And right now the coin is pumping. A lot of people want to FOMO. They want to know, should I get in? Should I buy more SLP? Guys, we're using our Fibonacci extension tool, and now I'll be going to the last time SLP actually rallied. Now we'll be using that. Why are we using the Fibonacci extension tool right here when it's not the top of the bull market to the bottom of the bear market? We can use this tool at any point in time in the cycle. That's why I'm using it right here. The last rally Bitcoin had before everything went to shit. Remember December 4th when Bitcoin actually dropped magically from 53,000 down to as low as 42,000. SLP actually pumped that day before it dumped. And for using that rally before Bitcoin actually capitulated, you can see that SLP has not yet gotten to 702 retracement. You might be wondering, why are we talking about the 702 retracement? I put out on my Twitter saying I was expecting that SLP, my short-term target for SLP was 3 cents, and I bought it at 1 cent. Now somebody asked me, why is it 3 cents? Because I expect that after SLP has rallied by 70%, now SLP will be almost getting to 4 cents, and a lot of people will start FOMO. Remember what I always used to say, we don't buy green candles on this channel, we actually buy red candles. If you want to get into SLP, I advise you to actually wait for a pullback. If the uptrend is going to continue at some point in time, it's going to pull back. It cannot go in a straight line to the moon. Yes, we all want it to go to the moon, but guys, you can see right here, SLP has been having mad volume. In the last 5 or 6 days, SLP have been pumping each day over 30%. Which is very good if you are holding SLP. And if you're not holding SLP, you would have been feeling that FOMO. You would have been like, oh my god, I wish I bought it yesterday. Oh my god, I wish I bought it yesterday. And guys, the day you feel comfortable to buy SLP thinking that, oh my god, it's a short thing, it's going to pump, that is the day SLP will dump on you. Now, my long-term target for SLP, I'm expecting it to actually go back and break its previous all-time high, which is currently at 30 cents. You may be wondering, is that possible? Guys, it's crypto. Everything is possible. SLP can get to 30 cents from our current price point right now to 30 cents. SLP just needs to pump some 11x. Yes, it sounds so outrageous. The same way when I brought you the coin on the 31st of January 2022, it sounded so outrageous that I was calling for a $1 SLP. And right now, we're already almost 300% from that current point. And I expect SLP will continue moaning. Remember, SLP has not experienced any of the previous Bitcoin pumps. All the time SLP pumped, Bitcoin was actually in a downward trend. So right now is the first time that SLP will really experience that awesome Bitcoin pump. And guys, we're actually going to the alt season, and the alt season is where all these altcoins will really start outperforming Bitcoin. You can see it already happening right here. SLP is already up over 200% from the lows, while Bitcoin is nowhere up over 200%. Bitcoin is just currently up over like 10-20% at most. Let's see how many percent Bitcoin is up. I like giving you guys the practical of these things. You can see it. It's not just hanky panky. I'm not just telling you to just go and buy random coins because I want you to buy those coins. I'm telling you what I'm seeing in the chart. You can see that Bitcoin from its low got as high as just 35%, while SLP, the coin we've been tracking for a very long time, got as high as over 200%. So you can see that SLP is actually outperforming Bitcoin, and this will happen with all the altcoins. XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, that's minus the other coins that have actually pumped. Those other coins that have had their own pump before Bitcoin reaches top, but not have that mad pump like SLP and all those other lagger coins. I talked about coins that are lagging, coins that are leaders. Guys, I'll give you that in another separate video, but now we're focusing on SLP. Now, SLP against Bitcoin, there's a reason why I'll actually be taking some small profit on my SLP position. The only ones I'll just have is the ones my long-term holds. Guys, another reason why I'll be taking a little profit on my SLP, hoping for the dip to come so that I can buy more on the dip, is that SLP is about touching its 99-day moving average. You can see right here, if I put the indicator on, you can see that SLP has actually have this golden cross where the 25-day moving average and the 7-day moving average have actually crossed, and I believe if it touches 99-day moving average, it's going to react to it. You can see the last time we touched it, we actually had a mad dip after it. SLP pumped 100% in one day. I was in SLP at this point. I remember that day. SLP pumped. I didn't take any profit. I saw all the profit go down the drain. Now SLP is coming close to that line. I'm going to take small off the table because I'm expecting it to have a reaction there. It's going to dip. I believe the whole market is going to be dipping very, very soon. Bitcoin cannot just go straight in a straight line. We are going to have pullbacks, and those pullbacks are going to affect the whole market. Guys, if Bitcoin is dumping, your favorite altcoin is going to dump. Now, SLP against Bitcoin. SLP has been gaining value against Bitcoin. This is a chart directly comparing SLP against Bitcoin. You can see that on the last 7 days, SLP is up against Bitcoin over 200%. Now, guys, that means if you bought one Bitcoin right here at the bottom of SLP, right now you would have over 200% of that money in Bitcoin. So you can see that SLP is actually outperforming Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is pumping, and that's how you know we're in the alt season. Now, with all these pumps, there will be pullbacks. Now, somebody might be asking, why are we sure that this is not what's happening right here? What happened on the 26th of April, where SLP just actually started going on to the moon? It went on a 10x in 9 days. That is very possible. SLP can actually do 10x in 9 days. But guys, the conditions are actually different. In April 2021, Bitcoin was in a different position there. Bitcoin was actually really pumping there. Everything was going to the moon. All the altcoins were actually just crazy. Bitcoin was retracing to 702. That's what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do right now. You can see that that's 26th April 2021. Bitcoin was actually having a retracement to 702. And that was when SLP actually went crazy. And now SLP is doing the same thing. Bitcoin is retracing to 702. But it's not just going to happen like that, the way it happened before. All these things, they rhyme, but they don't happen the way they happened before. Now you can see even on the Ethereum pairing too, SLP has touched its 99-day moving average. That's another reason why I'll be taking some of the table. All these indicators are showing me that SLP should have a reaction around that average because that's pumped. A lot of normies are in it. Remember, when I brought you guys this coin, the coin was less than a $40 million market cap project. It was $35 million market cap. It had a trading volume of just over $50 million, and right now at the point of recording of this video, the market cap has added over 100 million and the trading volume is up in billions. I brought it when we recorded that video, it was just 50 million, and right now the trading volume is 3.7 billion. You can see that a lot of people are trading this coin, and when the crowd wants something, I don't want it. When they don't want it, that's when I want it. That's how you want to carry your trading and investing journey. You want to be opposite of what the crowd are doing. The crowd might be right, but at the extreme, they're always wrong. So when we have too much green, the crowd is wrong. When we have too much red, the crowd is wrong. Guys, you want to follow me on social media for more updates? You can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram for more updates. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.